Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. In some cases, if you forgot a password to your zip file, or you have a zip file that was a protected password and you do not have access to password, here is an online free tool that you can use to remove password from any zip file folder without any stress. Like for instance, this particular zip folder right here was protected with password. If I click on enter and this pump up, if I try to open the folder and then I try to have access to the content of the folder, you can see it asks me to enter password. And then in some cases, you may forget a password, or a file has been sent to you and the file wasn't protected with password. You do not have access to the password. How can you unlock this file with free online tool and have access to the content of the folder without any stress? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and go to close this tab right here, close this tab right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and bring out our browser. Then make sure you go to this particular website right here, products.group.docs.app. It's going to take you to this particular web page right here. So what you need to do here is to scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, you see different tools from the home page right here. Now, what we need here is to see how we can unlock our zip file. So for that, go ahead and click on unlock. Then it's take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and then make sure you go ahead and look for Anki apps, which is unlock zip. So go ahead and click on that. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and drag your zip file right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to simply minimize. Then I will just select the folder and drag it and drop to the side right here. Just like so. Once you drop the file, a folder here is going to pump up. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then make sure you save the folder. So you can save it in your download folder right here. Go ahead and hit on save, and the file has been successfully saved. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go to my download folder. So I will have to make sure I click on download folder right here. Then we have it right here. So we can open the folder now, just like so. And then if I click on this and then click on folder right now, and then you have access to the contents of the file, so you can easily extract or double click to continue using the information in the zip folder. It's that simple. Just like so, you have access to the file right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.